Hey everyone, if you're wondering how to use Photoroom without paying for a subscription, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Photoroom free plan and get the most out of its features in 2026. First, download the Photoroom app or visit the Photoroom website and create a free account. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, Apple account, or another available login method. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to the Photoroom dashboard where you can start editing photos, creating designs, and using AI-powered tools. To begin, upload an image from your device. One of the most popular free features is AI background removal, which automatically separates the subject from the background in just a few seconds. After the background is removed, you can choose a new background, add colors, insert images, or use available templates to create professional-looking content. The free plan also allows you to create social media graphics, product photos, profile pictures, marketing materials, and other visual content using the built-in editing tools. Why and that's how to use the Photoroom free plan in 2026. It's a great way to explore AI-powered photo editing and design tools without spending money upfront. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.